the most stupidest thing I've ever seen in my life.
Butcher.
Out.
I knew somebody's ass about to go into the fucking water.
Oh my god.
Hurry up, man, damn. It's gonna melt
Got
it. Go.
Oh yeah, it's about to break real good.
You better get off of it. Go right there where it's fucking solid. I knocked holes in it, man. Why would you put it there? I hit holes. Why would you go there? Go where it's fucking solid as hell.
This is the most stupidest shit I've ever seen in my life.
No, it's going on. Most likely, if you fall in it.
Yeah. Hey, if you guys fall in, heck yeah, it's going on YouTube real good.
You got it. You're good. You got it. Bounce on it real hard.
Oh my god, dude.
Your ass is about to go. Jump again. I dare you. Jump. Jump.
Jump.
Damn, why did it fall through? How about I dare somebody like slide across it, like on their feet?
I almost fell.
Somebody just walk across it.